Hello everyone, I am Monica Hajra, lecturer in Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, CAM. Today I am going to explain you about factors affecting fixed capital requirement. Before I start with the topic, I would like to tell you the meaning of capital requirement. The amount of money needed to start or run the business. There are two types of capital requirement: fixed capital requirement and working capital requirement. Meaning of fixed capital: fixed capital is the capital which is used for buying fixed assets which are used for a long period of time in the business, and these assets are not meant for resale, like for example purchasing of land and building, plant and machinery, etc. Factors affecting fixed capital requirement: nature of business. Manufacturing industries have to invest huge amount of funds to acquire fixed assets like plant and machineries, land and building, etc. While trading business may not need huge investment in fixed assets. Second, size of business. Where a business firm set up to carry on large scale operation, its fixed capital requirements are likely to be high. It is because most of their production process are based on automatic machines and equipments. Next point, scope of business. The business firm which are formed to carry on production or distribution on a large scale. Such business will require more amount of fixed capital. Next, extent of lease or rent. If an entrepreneur decides to acquire fixed assets on lease or rental base, less amount of fund for fixed assets will be needed for the business. Arrangement of subcontract. If the business want to subcontract some procedure of production to others, here subcontract means dividing the work or giving contract to their business partner for the production. Then limited assets are required to carry out the production. It could minimize fixed capital requirement of the business. Acquisition of old assets. If old equipments and plants are available at low price, like second-hand machinery but in good condition, can help the business, which will reduce the need for investing in fixed assets. Acquisition of assets on concessional rate. Government may provide land and building materials at concessional rate. Plants and equipment may also be made available on in-settlement basis. Such facilities will reduce the requirement of fixed assets. Next point, international conditions. These factors is very significant, particularly in large organizations carrying business on international level. Like for example, company may decide to invest large funds to expand fixed assets before there is shortage of material. Next, trend in economy. If the future of the company is anticipated to be bright, it's give great signal to the business entrepreneur to carry out expansion of the business firm. In that case, large amount of funds are invested in fixed assets so as they can use the benefit in the future. Next point, population trend. When the population is increased at high rate, certain manufacturers find this as an opportunity to expand their business. Like for example, automobile industries, electronic goods manufacturing industry, ready-made garments, etc., which also required huge amount of fixed capital. Thank you.